On March 1st, 2024, two female members at a golf club in the Houston area tried to use a bathroom on the course, but were prevented by a homeless man who had barricaded himself in the bathroom for the usual reasons.
Is this him? Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
I'm using the bathroom, sir.
You're in the middle of using. Hey, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing.
Okay.
I need you to raise your arms.
Right on.
Come out here. Come out this way.
Here you go.
Go that way. Go that way. You're in.
I'm in the bathroom.
Are you a home? Yeah. Are you the homeless man they called about? Gentlemen, is this confirm that this is sir?
Sir, I haven't done anything.
Pause. You know what? Go ahead and put your pants on. Put your pants on. Put your pants on.
She is awake and breathing. It is advising.
Don't reach for anything. Don't reach for anything. Put your pants on, sir.
I'm in the men's restroom.
All right, cool. I'm gonna need you to step out. Hands up, sir. Let me. All right, come this way. Come this way. Sir, listen to what I. Sir, please. I'm being cool, right?
Okay.
I need you to come up. I need you to come outside. Turn
Don't have
around.
me out there in my boxes, man.
Sir, come out here. Come out here.
Seriously?
All right, come here. Sir, hey, I'm cool, right? Be cool.
This is not cool.
What's not cool is not being here. Here. You're not under arrest, but I'm going to detain you.
It's a public bathroom. It's a bathroom, dude.
Just be cool. Sir, put your hands behind
I
you.
have my pants on at least.
Sir, listen to what I'm telling you.
Dude,
Am I throwing you around? Am I being physical? Do not reach for anything. Do not reach for
I have my
anything.
pants on at least.
I've asked you to put your hands You know what, man? You're almost there, bro.
Come on, bro.
I'm
Don't
being
do me
cool.
like this, dog.
I'm
Don't
being
have me in
cool.
my fucking pants,
Let me
man.
see
Going to
your-
the fucking car park.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Right now, I'm just doing an investigation, right? We're not going anywhere yet. We're doing an investigation. Just be cool. Is this the gentleman? Okay, cool.
I haven't done anything.
All right, now we're going to go to my car. Follow me,
Wow.
come on me. Sir, do
Come
not
on,
arrest.
please,
Do not
please,
resist. I got
please,
my
sir.
partner on the way. He's here like you. You're going to come with me.
Come on, man. Like
Sir.
this, dude.
Yeah, like this. Like this. Just for now. We'll figure out what's going on.
Can't be serious, dude. In my fucking boxes, bro. You could have let me put my pants on.
Thanks for coming, Martinez.
You could have let me put my pants on, man. This is out of line.
All right, cool. So the
my
call
fucking
came
boxes,
in.
bro?
I'm going to verify some stuff with them, but the call came in. That
boxes,
he was
bro?
in the women's. Yeah, relax. Like, everything's cool, right?
No, it's not cool, bro.
Crutchfield, right?
Out of line, bro.
Crutchfield, right?
This, no, come on, man.
You know this guy?
The other officer probably recognizes the suspect from an arrest that happened a few weeks prior, where the suspect tried to go back into a Walmart he was trespassed from.
With the golf pro.
The neighbor's dog,
Okay.
reference 14 at 1641.
So y'all know each other.
Yeah, I did
In my
DJ
pants,
the
bro.
other day.
In my pants, man.
And,
In my boxes, bro. Supposed to have a good conversation.
Well, what happens, man, when you're scaring
I
people
haven't
in the
done
restroom?
Dude, I'm in the bathroom too, bro. I'm in the restroom.
Hold on,
How the hell? How the hell am I bothering somebody?
You were
Sir?
like in the women's restroom,
Dude, I was
scaring women refusing to
scaring
leave.
women refusing to leave.
If that's not true,
No.
then everything's gonna be cool. We have to do our investigation, right? Go ahead and have a seat in there, please. No, I have not pat him down. I got you.
6618 Jade Crest
All your
Drive,
stuff- where's your
reference
stuff at?
other,
See, I'm talking to you.
reference 317 at
You could have
1642.
put my pants on, brother. You could have put my pants on, brother. You didn't lock them?
I have not locked him. No, I got him out of there. He didn't want to get out.
Go ahead.
You didn't want to get outside.
Yeah, he's not been. Hasn't been violent, so that's good.
Nah, he ain't do nothing, man. Come on.
Yeah. Like I said, you're cool, we're cool, right? We're not throwing you around. We're not being aggressive, talking to you in a disrespectful way.
Come on, bro. That's disrespectful, bro. That's disrespectful, man.
They talked to me. So what happened?
Dude, I'm in the bathroom.
Okay.
I'm in the bathroom using the restroom. That's it.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell he's talking about. I'm in the bathroom using the bathroom, dude.
Okay. Put your foot in. Put your foot in. All right. We'll be right back.
All right, cool. So who actually saw or what was going on? Who's
Okay,
the best person to talk to? Is this gentleman here?
No, I mean, he was here. I mean, I called him out here after I got a call from one of the members.
Yeah. So yeah, you took the original call?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So what did they say exactly?
It was just a lady. Her and one of our other buddies. They were both here.
Okay.
Stopped. They're going to play the hole.
Yeah.
They wanted to use the restroom. Dude was in the girls' restroom at the time.
Girl was in the girls' restroom. Okay, and then what happened after that?
Well, they couldn't get in because he was in there. So he was in the women's restroom first.
I got you. So
I don't know when he swapped over to the other bathroom because there's no way, I guess. You probably have to ask
So
them.
they weren't in there, and then he didn't like come in on them, right? He was already
he was
in there.
in there.
He was in there already.
And so
just
they
refusing
knew he
to let
wasn't
him
a
in.
member or anything. There's no way he golfs.
I just love this little snide-ass comment like, there's no way he golfs. Yeah, that's basically true.
Of course.
And so they just kind of got scared and just called me.
I got
Called
you.
me and let me know, like, there's somebody in here, we can't use the bathroom, and they didn't know what to do.
Did they say anything about him being violent in any
They
way?
never said anything about him being violent or
Can
anything.
you have their number?
I do not have their
You don't
number.
have their
I can
number?
probably...
No, I appreciate that. So he was saying something about this being a public restroom.
It is a private course.
It's a private course.
Member
It's a
zone.
private
Terminal
member.
30
So,
upstairs.
I mean,
Beginning mileage
this is all
502
private.
at
I mean, you can't really just hop
1644.
on or anything if you wanted to play golf or whatever either.
Sounds like a basic trespass. I got to check Martinez, make sure he didn't have like weapons or drugs on him, but yeah, and it's just a simple trespass. And
Has he been trespassed before?
I've never seen him one time in my life. I don't know anything about him. I just know that that's just what I mean. I just
I
came
got
out
you.
here. I never
I'll get
met
him identified, and I'll see what's going on. If he's been trespassed already, then he goes to jail. That's how it works.
So yeah, I mean, I just can't really.
So you
I mean,
work
I
here?
can't. Yeah, I work here.
So you don't have, nobody knows anything? Right?
He's the one who
No,
called.
I mean,
yeah.
I was way over there at the clubhouse at the time. So
And so who was complaining? I'm sorry.
it was just a member. One of the members that were playing.
Okay.
And dude was in the women's bathroom at the time.
What time was this?
Shoot, I can't think of it.
It had
Right
to have been
now,
just
what time-
now.
what
Yeah.
Now it's 4:45.
Yeah, so let me see. It's probably been about 15 minutes. I can tell you exactly what time I called you right when
I'm
I
gonna
got
ask them. Maybe they know of a previous incident. Man, thanks for calling, guys. So this gentleman, has he been trespassed already, or is this
He was
just?
in the ladies' room.
Yeah, he was in the ladies' room
He
scaring
left the ladies'
women.
room, then he got one in the men's room.
Yeah,
You haven't seen him before.
you haven't seen him before. Yeah, because if he's been trespassed before, that's a straight go to jail, right? If he's not been trespassed, then we officially trespass him, and if he comes back, then he goes to jail.
It's the first time they called me to go out here, come out here. We all came out.
I got
He
you.
was in the ladies' restroom.
He was in the ladies, yes, yeah. It'd be different if the women were in there and he went in there and he tried to like do something crazy.
Yeah.
But it sounded like he was in the restroom not letting them in.
Yeah, he wouldn't let nobody in. But
I got
he
They
had the door.
locked it. They knocked and they tried to get in, and he wouldn't let access.
Who's like the main dude here right now? Sean?
Donnelly.
Sean? Okay, is he at the pro shop?
No,
He's the guy running it right now.
That's him?
No. Sean just left.
Sean just left. He's the one. I
He's
got
just
you.
running the front.
You know what? Can y'all do me a huge favor? Can y'all call Sean? My main goal is to figure out if he's been trespassed before. Yeah, if there's any record on him. Can I talk to him? What's his name?
That's Sean.
Hey, Sean, this is Deputy Rincon. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Doing well, man. Your guys here are awesome, man. Very helpful. My main goal is to figure out if this guy's been here before on an incident, because if he has, then he goes straight to jail. If this is his first time, then we just officially trespass him, and then when he does it again, that's when he goes to jail. So, any record of this man being here before?
You know, I can't say that he has. I do know of a situation that happened about a week ago, but I never saw him. There's no way I would be able to say if it's the same person or not.
Okay,
You know,
cool.
I
Who would know, sir? You said the incident before. Who would know? Who would have that information? Like the deputies come out?
I don't think they did. Shoot. I don't know off the top of my head.
I got you. I'm gonna work on getting this guy's clothes out here. I'm gonna pass the phone back to this gentleman. Thanks for your help,
Okay.
man. Okay, my friend, I have your pants, so you're good there. Not yet. Not yet. Do I have permission to go through your stuff to see if we can identify you?
My name is Sam Chris. I'm an assistant.
All right, cool. So I have permission to look through your stuff?
No, if it's possible. I was using the bathroom. Y'all, come on.
Yeah, right now everything's cool, right? Again, help me. I'm doing an investigation. I'm doing an investigation. No, I want to see your license. Is it in your bag?
I don't have an ID.
You don't have anything?
I don't have an ID, sir.
All right,
Hey,
cool.
but you can look me up. I'm up in there.
I got you. I'm going to look through your stuff.
I'm sure y'all know this already, but for those on the short bus, Sammy here has some stuff in his stuff that he shouldn't if you get the drift. It's not that he is upset that something unjust is happening. It's that he knows what he has.
Mr. Crutchfield, what's your date of birth, brother?
I'm going to jail.
I don't know, dude. I'm just here supporting my partner, so I'll find out what's going on, okay? Have you been trespassed here before?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
So what were you doing in the bathroom, man? Just honestly,
Honestly, dude, I was in the bathroom. I was going to wash my face, brother.
you were just trying to clean up?
Yeah,
Don't lie to me. Just be honest. Don't fuck with me, because I'm
just gonna keep it real.
Keep it real, man.
I was using the bathroom.
Okay.
And, you know, I was finna do something about it.
Right. Which was in the syringes.
It was.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's all I want to know.
You know, but I wasn't bothering anybody.
Okay.
I didn't like come off anybody. I was in the wrong bathroom. I'm like, okay, I went to the boys' bathroom. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I wasn't tripping with myself right there.
All right, man. All right. Just hold tight. So I asked him what he's doing. Okay, so here's his date of birth. Sammy Critchfield, date of birth, Texas ID number.
Crutchfield, okay.
I asked him, so what's, no bullshit, dude, tell me what's with you. And he's like,
Amen.
I was in there, you know, and I was going to do some stuff. I was using the bathroom, but I was going to do some other stuff. I said, so that's what's in the syringes in, right? And he just nodded his head, yep.
He said, do some other stuff?
Yeah. I said, is that what that is in the syringes in? And he's like, yo.
Thank you. Did he say what was in there?
I didn't ask him what this was inside.
No, I got you. All right, Mr. Sammy. Yeah, we've appreciated how cool you've been, right? So we had to call the DA, and they've accepted charges for possession and also for your trespass. We'd like to help you put your pants on and your shoes. Is that cool? Is that where you're not walking around with your underwear? Okay, cool. All right, man, you can step out. All right, let me help with this.
I'm not going anywhere, man. Can you just take the cuffs off? I'll put my pants on, please. I'm not going anywhere, sir. You have my word.
Yeah, we can't do that, but
You can't do
my
that.
partner can hold one end. I can help the other. Go ahead, man.
Really, like that? Is that how you put your pants on, sir? Sir, please.
We have to. We have to do it this way.
You can't like have
Look,
one can
sit,
out.
sit down. Sit
Jesus
down.
Christ.
There you go. Pick your feet up. Pick your feet up.
We'll work it out, man.
This is working out, man. I'm in the bathroom. This is not working
Okay,
out.
put your foot.
I'm not saying I'm right, sir. No, it's not working out.
Like I said, Sam, it's not even on us, man. When we come across drugs, we have to call. Otherwise, we're in trouble.
Okay, come on.
Right? We
Yeah,
can't,
turn around
just,
for me,
we can't just throw it away.
You got the police surprise said you didn't even know if it was drugs? You didn't even know if it was drugs. He says,
You admitted to it being meth.
what? You know, I do meth. I didn't say it was meth.
Turn this way.
What is it? Wakanda? I didn't say that. I did not say that.
Got it on camera, man.
Sir, I didn't say that.
Here, man.
Seriously, I didn't say that. Go ahead.
Put your foot on, bro.
Put your foot on. Right.
Put your foot right there. There you go.
I got you, man. Got one more.
Put your foot on.
I'm not gonna put this on, man. You ain't worry about it. On like, y'all
I got you. Hold on. There you go.
Thank you.
Got you, Sammy.
It's not happening, man. It might look like I might just like golfing or whatever, dude. I'm sorry.
Turn around. Turn. Let me grab your heel.
Something like that, man. But I got a good heart, man. I'm a damn good person, brother. I was in the bathroom.
Go ahead.
It's out of line.
Jesus.
Sorry.
Okay, cool.
I can fight the rest.
I got you.
Thank you.
All right, my
Give me a solid. Thank
We're
you.
gonna move you to the other car. You want 'em right there behind you or this side?
This one. Oh, you know what? You're right. Thank you. All right, Sammy. Gotta put your seatbelt on.
38-year-old Sammy Crutchfield was arrested on one felony count of possession of a controlled substance. Somehow the charges were dismissed for insufficient evidence. You'll be shocked, but the suspect was later arrested for burglary and another possession charge. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.